Hey, welcome to Foster Comedy Presents Health and Wellness. I'm your host Foster, and I will be giving entertainers, performers, and body movers alike healthy tips to help you sustain a healthy lifestyle on and off the stage. So let's dive right in. Today we're going to be talking about my top 5 yoga props that I absolutely love and have changed my practice entirely. Without these, I don't know what kind of person I would be. Number 1, the Asan, the Asana Point yoga mat. This is the Asana Point yoga mat. This bad boy comes in at about, I got this for like $50 online right now. I have a link in the description below where you can get it for like $29. I don't know if you're familiar with the more popular brand, Life For Me, which is like $150. I think the cheapest one is like $120. But this is like a very affordable version of that. It also has the alignment points on here because me personally, I'm like a sweaty beast when I start to work out. Like even 2 seconds in, I'm already like pouring in my first downward dog. And on normal traditional mats, like I'm just slipping around like a little slimy snake, whatever. I just can't get my grip. But on this, as soon as my hand is on there, it's like it's not moving anywhere. And I love it for that reason. So helpful. Prop numero dos is this bad boy. Have you seen these before? They're called TheraBands. I personally love this, and I love to use this for my feet. It's also great for your shoulders, for your hands, doing all sorts of exercises. I'll do a whole other separate video where I go into in depth on how I use these props individually. But right now, I just want to get this information out to you guys so that you can get started and build that healthy lifestyle. So yeah, I personally like to use this for my feet because I have broken my feet like 3 times already. Most of them have just been from walking. Prop number 3, this yoga wheel. I played violin for several years in my life, and it resulted in a lot of very bad upper back and shoulder issues. I've had x-rays and all this stuff done. They can't really figure out what is wrong. But on long days on my feet, I like to come home and just stretch my back out on one of these bad boys. I got this. It's pretty affordable on Amazon. Like I said, there will be links. There will be links in the description below where you can get these things for very, very cheap. So yeah, I just roll my back out on this and it feels amazeballs. Speaking of balls, let's talk about prop number 4. Yoga tune-up balls. If you haven't heard about these, get to hearing about these. Because these things have revolutionized my relaxation, my practice, all of the things in between and above and below. They're like massage balls, the way they grip onto your skin. You can use them in their little sack, or you can take them out of their little sack pack. You can take them out of their little sack pack and just use the balls by themselves. It's really good for myofascial release. For like little muscle points here, I like to use this around your neck. It kind of grips your skin and twists it. So it's really good for that top layer and then also for that deep fascia. I like to take this up against the wall, put it right there in between my shoulder blades and just kind of roll it out like a bear on a tree. There's a bunch of really awesome things that you can do with these guys. I'll link some other videos below, and I will also be making a video where I show some of my favorite things to do with these. So much release. So much release that a ball can give you. And last, but definitely not least, we're coming back to the feet. Oh my gosh. These have been my most recent purchase and have changed how I move about this great big wide city of New York. And that is the Vibram wrap shoes. These bad boys. Look at how unbelievably flexible they are. And since they're so flexible, you can just kind of scrunch them into a little ball. They even come with their own little carrying case. Look at this thing. Look how cute that is. You can put this in here, carry these things around, wear your favorite heels, and then slap these guys on to walk about the city so that you're not killing yourself all day. What I really love about these is that they force your feet to stay strong and healthy because there's not much like arch support, so it's just relying on your muscles to really support you in your movements. And I love everything about the feet, because your feet are the foundation of all of your movement, and we neglect them so much, but they're so important. It's like when something's up with your feet, it travels up to your knees, travels up to your hips, and before you know it, like everything's all discombobulated. And you don't know what's up from what's down. And the great thing about these bad boys is that they're machine washable. And they do actually smell pretty bad right now, so I'm just gonna pop those in the bag. Pop those in the bin. So these have been my top 5 fitness and yoga props that I love to use on a daily basis. And I hope you enjoy this video. Check out the links below. Try out these items. I am here at your disposal. I am a certified yoga and aerial yoga teacher, as well as very knowledgeable on yoga TuneUp. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this. Hit the little subscribe button and hit the bell. If you hate it, give me a thumbs down. Any feedback is good feedback. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.